Find the shortest distance between the lines x plus 1 by 7, y plus 1 by minus 6, z plus 1 by 1 and x minus 3 by 1 equal to y minus 5 by minus 2, z minus 7 by 1. So first of all convert into standard form. What is your standard form? Standard form is your x minus x1 by a1, y minus y1 by b1, z minus z1 by c1. No?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
X minus x2 by a2, y minus y2 by b2, z minus z2 by c2. Convert like this both equations.
Yes.
Clear? So see a line L1 is equal to, we can write like this. Okay?
Yes.
X minus x1. x1 is your minus 1. Y minus y1 by minus 6.
Yes.
Z minus
Minus.
1. Clear? L2 convert into standard form. This one is already there. This one is already there. Clear?
Yes.
Now, what is your x1? Write down. What is your x1? x1 is minus 1. No?
Yes.
x1 is minus 1. y1 is
Minus 1.
minus 1. z1 is minus 1. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. x2 is your 3. y2 is 5. And z2 is
7.
6. Clear? Okay. Now, what is A1, B1, C1? A1,
Seven.
B1, C1. A1 is your 7. B1 is
Minus 6.
and C1 is 1. Clear?
7.
A1 is 7. Clear?
Yes.
7. Clear? You know that day also I discussed if we had 2, then how to convert into standard
Yes.
form.
Yes.
Make the coefficient of x is
Divide
unity.
by-
Clear? Okay. Now, what is A2? A2 is 1. B2 is
Minus 2.
minus 2.
1.
And C2 is.
Yes.
Now you got all?
Yes.
Now direct we have to write the formula. Direct we have to write the formula. Now I am going to rub.
Yes.
Clear? Okay. If you want to take photo, you take. Now shortest distance between two. Okay, shortest distance. Now find out the shortest distance between two skew lines. Now, so what is formula? Shortest distance
B is equal
mod of
B2 minus
x2 minus x1. No. x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1,
Yes.
z2 minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2,
C2.
c2. Clear? Divided by under root. Formula tell me. b1 into c2 minus b2 c1 whole square
Plus.
plus. Now here it is minus coming now, so I am taking it like this. a2 c1, a2 c1
C1.
minus a1 c2 whole square plus. Now remove this one. First remove this one, B1 C2 minus B2 C1. Now remove this one. A1 A2 C1 A2 C1 and minus A1 C2. Clear?
Yes.
Now this one remove. A1 B2 A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Clear? And absolute value. Okay?
Yes.
Now shortest distance for here. X2 minus X1. How much? X2 minus 3
4.
minus 1. Write down. X2 how much? 3 minus
1.
minus 1. Clear? Y2 how much?
5.
5 minus
Minus 1.
minus 1. Clear? Z2
7.
7
Minus.
minus
Minus 1.
minus 1. Okay? Now write A1
7.
7 B1
Minus.
minus 6
One.
C1 1 A2
1.
1 B2 and C2 1 divided by under root how much? B1 C2 B1 C2 B1 how much?
Minus 6.
Minus 6
1.
into C2 how much? 1 minus B2 C1
Minus 2.
B2 minus B2 how much?
Minus 2. Into 1. 1.
Into whole is clear?
Yes.
Plus A2 C1 A2 how much? 1 C1
1.
1 minus
A1.
A1 how much?
7.
7
1.
1 A1 okay A1 C2 how much?
1.
1 whole square
Yes.
plus then after A1 B2
7 into
A1 B2 how much?
minus
7 into minus 2 minus A2 B2 minus A2 B1 A2 B1
1 into minus 6.
1 into
Minus 6.
minus
square.
whole square. Clear?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now this one become 4 here.
Yes, sir.
4
6.
6
8.
8 then
7.
7
Minus
minus 6
1.
1 1
Minus 2.
minus 2
1.
1 divided by under root how much? Minus 6 plus 2 minus 4 here plus 2 here minus 6 so minus 4
Whole square.
minus 4 whole square
16.
16
Plus
plus
1.
here 1 minus 7
Minus 6.
whole square
36. Minus 14.
minus 14 plus 6 8
8. Whole square.
8 whole square
64.
64 36
100.
and 116
116.
okay now solve the determinant this one 4 and remove minus 6
Plus 2.
plus 2 minus 6 okay remove
7 minus 1.
7 minus 1
Plus 8.
plus 8
Minus 14 plus 6.
minus 14
Plus 6.
plus 6 clear divided by under root 106
Yes.
Okay. Now is shortest distance is equal to how much here? Mod.
minus,
Clear?
yes,
Mod. So here become
minus 16,
minus 16. Here become
minus
36.
36, yes,
Here become
minus 64,
minus 64.
That also
upon, yes,
What is your answer? Check. Now this question you can convert into this line, you L1 and L2 convert into vector form. Okay? Then after find out the shortest distance. So see here, this is okay solution over here. This is line L1 and this is line L2. Clear? So your L1 becomes here in standard form x minus 1 by 7 here y minus 1 by minus 6 and z minus 1. Okay, and L2 become
same,
same, L2 is same.
yes,
Okay. Now here vector A, position vector A.
minus,
Okay, A1.
minus I,
So minus I
minus J,
minus J
minus K,
minus K. This is A1.
yes,
A2
3I
3I
plus 5J
5J
plus 7,
7. Clear?
yes,
A1 got, A2 got. Now B1.
7I,
So keep in mind you have to convert into standard form and coefficient of x, y, z should be unity. Okay, coefficient of x, y, z should be unity. Okay. So B1 is equal to 7I
minus 6J
minus 6J
plus K,
plus K. B2 I
minus 2J
minus 2J
Plus
plus K. Okay, so now we have to find out A2 minus. So these two lines are skew lines. Line here, line L1 and L2. Here, line L1 and L2 are skew lines. Okay, so what is the formula of shortest distance?
mod B,
Mod of
B2 plus B1
B1 into B1 into B2.
same,
B1 into not same.
dot into
the
minus
position,
Yes. B1 into B2 dot
A2 minus
vector
A1
A2 minus A1
divided by
mod of
B1
into B2. Clear?
yes,
So first which one you want to find out? B1 into B2 or A2 minus A1?
B1 into B2.
Okay. So here I am finding A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1.
4I.
A2 minus A1. How much?
4I
4I plus 6J
4I
plus 6J
plus 6J
plus
plus
8K
8K.
plus 8K.
8K.
Are you smart right? Clear?
Yes.
Subham, clear? Everybody is clear?
Yes.
yes,
Okay, you got A2 minus A1. Now you have to find out B1 into B2. B1, you know in the component form
yes,
I, J and K. In component form. Clear? Okay.
7 minus
Now, what is here A1, B1, C1? B1 into B2 here. B1
7
component 7
minus
here 7 okay, A1 B1 C1 7 minus 6 1
yes
7 minus 6
1
1 then here 1
minus
minus 2 1. So now find out.
data
So vector B cross B1 cross here vector B2 is equal to I
minus 6 plus
minus 6
plus 2
plus 2 minus J.
7 minus
Here remove 7 minus
1
1. K
minus 14
minus 14
plus 6
plus 6. So here minus 4I
plus
minus 6J. Here
minus 8
8K. Clear?
yes sir.
Vector B1 into B2 got. So mod of vector B1 into B2
minus 4 square
minus 4 square minus 6 square
minus 8
minus 8 square. How much coming?
116
116. Vector B1 into B2 you got.
yes
Now you have to find out B1 into B2 dot A2 minus A1. Clear?
yes sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now we have to find out here B1 cross B2 dot A2 minus A1. So here B1 cross B2 we got already minus 4I minus 6J and minus 8K, and E2 minus A1 we also got. So 4I plus 6J plus 8K. Clear? Any doubt? Now see here you will get here how much?
minus 60
minus 60
See here this one minus 4I dot 4I. I dot I is 1 and rest of them I dot J will become 0. I dot K will become 0. So here become minus
60
minus 60
minus 36
minus 36 and
minus
64
64. Clear?
Yes.
Now the formula of standard deviation is shortest distance. Shortest distance is equal to mod of how much?
minus 116
minus 116
Minus 116
upon
upon
mod of
mod of square root
116
116. So here become 116 square root here 116 equal to square root 116 is equal to 2 root 29 unit.
yes
Clear? So this is the way to solve by vector method. Question is find the foot of the perpendicular from the line point 0 to 3 on the line x plus 3 by 5, y minus 1 by 2, z plus 4 by 3. So this is the line. Any points on the line, any arbitrary points on the line, we have to put is equal to lambda. We have to put is equal to lambda. And you simplify this one, x plus 3 by 5 equal to lambda, x equal to 5 lambda minus 3, y minus 1 by 2 equal to lambda. So y is equal to 2 lambda plus 1, z plus 4 by 3 equal to lambda. So z is equal to 3 lambda minus 4. So you got the point foot of the perpendicular. L is equal to here 5 lambda minus 3, 2 lambda plus 1, 3 lambda minus 4. So you got L. Now direction cosine of PL. Direction cosine of PL. Direction cosine, direction ratio of PL. Direction ratio of PL. Okay. So what is the direction ratio of PL? Y2 minus CLPL.
x2 minus x1.
So here PL. So from L first start. 5 lambda
Minus 0.
minus 3 minus 0. Clear?
Yes.
Then 2 lambda plus 1 minus 2. Then 3 lambda minus 4 minus 3. So direction ratio of PL is 5 lambda minus 3, 2 lambda minus 1, 3 lambda minus 7. So vector, now you got the direction ratio of PL. Now the vector PL is equal to 5 lambda minus 3i
2
plus 2 lambda minus 1j plus 3 lambda minus 7k. Clear? Okay?
Yes.
Now this line PL, okay, vector PL is perpendicular to vector B. So vector B is your, see here, vector B is 5 pi plus 2j plus 3k. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Since PL is perpendicular to vector B, PL is perpendicular to the vector B. This is the vector B because 5, 2, 3. Vector B.
Yes.
Okay. So PL, vector PL dot vector B is equal to 0. So you know the direction ratio component of this one A1 B1. A1 B1. So write down A1 B1. 5 lambda minus 3 5 A1 B1
Yes, sir.
plus A2 B2
2 lambda minus 1 into
2 lambda minus 1 into 2 3 lambda minus 7 into 3 equal to 0. Clear? So how much? 25 lambda minus 15 plus 4 lambda minus 2 plus 9 lambda minus 21 equal to 0. How much lambda is here? Find out the lambda.
9
plus
plus
25 plus 4.
38
29 plus 9. 38.
38 lambda
38 lambda. Now I am going to rub here this side.
minus 28 minus 28
How much? 38 lambda is equal to how much? Minus 15 minus 2 minus 17 minus 21 minus 38 is equal to 38. So lambda is equal to 1. Clear?
yes
The foot of the perpendicular.
5 minus 3
So here write 5. Lambda is how much? Minus 1. 3. 2 into 1
plus 1
plus 1. Put here lambda value.
3
3 into 1 minus 4. Clear?
2
Okay. So how much?
2
2.
minus 1
Here 2. Here how much?
3
3.
minus 1
3 minus 1. So you got the coordinates of L is how much? 2, 3 minus 4. Clear? Now find the
minus 1
so minus 1. Minus 1. So here minus 1. Now find out the length of the perpendicular.
sir that was not asked now.
What is question?
foot of the perpendicular.
Okay, so foot of the perpendicular.
Yes.
If it is given in the question, find out the length. Then by using the distance formula, and you can find out the length of PL. Clear? Length of perpendicular. If it is given, find out the image. Find out the image. Then L become the midpoint. L become the midpoint. Suppose this one is x1, y1, z1 and p dash x2, y2, 0, 2. Then use the midpoint formula x1 plus x2 divided by 2 equal to 2.
Yes, sir.
y1 plus y2 divided by 2 equal to 3. z1 plus z2 divided by 2 equal to minus 1. So you will get the image points. Okay.
Thank you, sir.